If she's ignoring you, it can feel like you've hit a wall, but there are ways to become so captivating that she can't resist paying attention. Today, we're diving into powerful, subtle techniques that make you completely irresistible, even if she's keeping her distance. Stick around because these tricks will give you the edge to not just catch her interest, but make her crave being closer to you again. Let's get right into how you can flip the script. 1. Develop an irresistible personal scent she can't forget. The sense of smell is one of the most powerful tools of attraction. A distinct, memorable scent can make you unforgettable. Find a cologne or a subtle personal fragrance that you can use consistently. The key is to select something unique to you, one that's not overpowering, but just enough to linger when she's around or when you pass by. A signature scent is something that will make her think of you long after you're gone. Why does this work? Scent triggers memories and emotions. Even if she's ignoring you now, a fragrance she's come to associate with you will make it difficult for her to completely forget about you. The familiarity of the scent will evoke memories, drawing her back in, even subconsciously. If you want to make it irresistible, choose a scent with subtle yet captivating notes that suit your personality. Each time she smells something similar or even picks up on your fragrance in passing, she'll remember moments with you. This sensory cue is a great way to stay on her mind without saying a word, as your scent will stick with her even if she's trying to push you out of her thoughts. 2. Embrace a quiet confidence with an edge of mystery. If you're around her often, don't make it obvious that you're affected by her ignoring you. Instead, become a bit of a mystery by remaining composed and showing a confident, laid-back side. The goal is not to appear unaffected, but to show her you have a quiet strength that isn't swayed by the ups and downs. Keep conversations light, add hints of mystery, and don't reveal everything about yourself right away. This trick is about creating an air of intrigue, leaving her wondering what's going on in your mind. When she can't fully read you, her curiosity will drive her to pay more attention, wondering what's behind that composed exterior. Mystery is attractive because it keeps people coming back to try and figure you out. Don't over-explain or try to fill the silence. Let her come to you for answers. By staying composed, you're showing her that her actions don't completely determine your mood, and this resilience makes you more appealing. It's a rare quality and one that can make you look like a challenge, which is always attractive. 3. Use eye contact to send a message. Eye contact can be incredibly powerful, especially when it's done with intention. If you're interacting with her, or even just in the same room, give her a steady, meaningful gaze that's brief but noticeable. The idea isn't to stare, but to let your eyes communicate for you. A fleeting yet intentional look can convey confidence, interest, and even a bit of attraction without words. Why does this work? Eye contact builds intensity and can leave a lasting impression. If you hold eye contact with her for just a bit longer than usual, it gives her a sense of exclusivity and makes her wonder what's going on in your mind. Even if she's trying to ignore you, that single look can linger in her mind and subtly break down her resistance. When done right, eye contact can communicate interest and respect, creating a bond that words sometimes can't. If she glances back, don't break the gaze immediately. Let her feel your presence, and it'll leave her intrigued, making her remember the unspoken connection. 4. Incorporate playful, slightly flirty humor. One of the quickest ways to become irresistible is to make her laugh, but with a twist of intrigue. Skip the typical jokes and instead aim for playful banter with a light hint of flirtation. For example, if she's being quiet, you could say something like, "Trying to play hard to get, I see." Just a slight tease to keep things fun without being overbearing. Playful humor creates a relaxed vibe while subtly letting her know that you're not fazed by her ignoring you. If done right, this approach is attractive because it shows you're relaxed and unbothered by the current dynamic. Humor that's tailored to the situation and adds a hint of intrigue will make her want to keep talking to you, even if she doesn't plan on it. A small laugh can break down her defenses, making her more inclined to open up. It shows her that you're confident and interesting, which are traits that pull her back in when she might otherwise try to keep her distance. 5. Express interest through subtle, unique compliments. If she's used to standard compliments, try something unique and specific. Instead of saying she looks nice, try, "That color really makes your eyes stand out." Subtle but personalized compliments show that you notice the small things without overdoing it, making her feel special in a refreshing way. Giving a compliment that she doesn't hear often is memorable. It shows that you're paying attention without trying too hard, which will pique her interest and make her curious about you. When you're observant and thoughtful in your approach, it tells her that you see her beyond the surface. By giving a compliment that's specific and genuine, you create a brief moment of connection that's unique to her. Even if she's distant, she'll remember that moment, and it's likely to have her coming back for more of your attention. 6. Focus on yourself in subtle, noticeable ways. One of the best ways to make her curious is by genuinely improving yourself. Start focusing on your hobbies, personal goals, or even getting in shape, but do it for yourself, not just to get her attention. When she sees you thriving and investing in yourself, it can spark her curiosity. Working on yourself is attractive because it shows self-respect and independence. When she notices that you're still progressing with or without her attention, it subtly challenges her to rethink any distance she's created. There's an undeniable appeal in seeing someone who's genuinely happy and fulfilled on their own terms. As you improve, she'll start noticing the changes in you and may begin questioning why she isn't part of your world anymore. The more you thrive, the harder it will be for her to ignore you, as she may start craving that connection once again. 7. Let silence speak for itself. If she's ignoring you, one of the most effective strategies is not to chase her attention. Allow silence to do the work. When she reaches out, don't instantly respond. Let her see that you're not immediately available. This space can build curiosity and makes her realize that she might be missing out. Silence is powerful because it gives her the chance to consider what it would be like without you around. By holding back, you create a bit of tension that can drive her interest. She may start wondering why you're not making more of an effort, which can create a pull for her to reach out. The key is not to play games, but to give her room to come to her own conclusions. Sometimes stepping back is all it takes to make her realize she actually values your attention, especially if she's been ignoring you. 8. Show small acts of kindness without expecting a response. When you're kind without expecting anything in return, it sets you apart from the crowd. Small gestures like asking if she's had a good day or offering help with something can show that you genuinely care. The goal here is to be thoughtful and kind without pressuring her for anything in return. This trick works because it makes her feel valued without feeling pursued. Genuine acts of kindness can soften her stance and make her see you in a new light. Even if she's trying to ignore you, she'll remember your warmth and may be drawn to the fact that you aren't giving up, but aren't being too forward either. By showing kindness without pushing for her attention, you're creating a space where she feels comfortable around you, which can lead her to crave more of that calm, reliable energy you bring into her life. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.